Hello friends, today I am going to explain about cell activities in Uipath. So this cell here is Excel cell, okay. So I'm going to show this example here and I'm going to explain what are the activities that Uipath is supporting for the cells, okay. There were certainly four main activities are presented. One is like writing into a cell, and another one is uh, reading from the cell and reading that formula and the color of the cell, okay. So how we can able to identify that particular cell, okay. If you can see this which I am highlighting, this we can identify using column name E and the row number 2. So it will be like E2. If this is like F7, okay. This the background is black one is like C8, okay. This is the way we have to identify. This is a critical thing. First we need to identify what cell that we want to operate on, okay. First it will be like column number, column name, that is a C A B C D like that, E F like that, column name, then the row number 1 2 3 4 like that, okay. So let's go to the example and see. I'm taking one sequence here, and one more important thing here is if you are working on Excel sheet, the first and foremost thing we need to do is we need to use this one, Excel application scope, okay. Here we have to give the Excel the path of the Excel that you want to use on, okay. So then let me write into the Excel cell first. Write cell function will be there, yeah, write cell, and here you have to mention on what column you want to write on, okay. Let me take it as something like F1, so it will be like first row F1, okay. I'm writing on, I am going to write hello Uipath users, okay. That's it. I'm going to save this. Let me see this. You can see here it is showing like that, okay. Let me close this application. Since I have opened it, came like that, let me close this and something like Uipath users. Let me type good morning and run this. Why I want to show this example is like, if you observe it properly, just before that pop-up of Excel came here because we are using one function called visible here, okay. If I use this, it will use the Excel properties, okay. So it will use the Excel functions to write into the cell. If I disable this one, it won't even you won't see that pop-up. Actually it will use UiPath functions to write, okay. And as you can see, that application is not yet opened, so it is showing some error here, okay. So let me open this one, and I tell this, since we have already written this, let me give something like 23, okay, and write it. Now you can see that application, as before to that I have opened that application. Now it is written something and it closed that application, that Excel sheet itself. That we need to observe clearly. It's taking some time to load. Do one thing, I close this, again I will open it. In the meantime, let's focus on other things like get cell color. uh, it's not opening. Good. Nice. I'll do one thing. I'll pause the video as of now and I will show once it is starting. Okay. Yeah, friends, it seems like that Excel has some issue. So, what I'll do is I'll explain this other functions in other video, weight cell, weight formula, weight color. This video will only contain right into the cell activity, and if you have any doubt on this one, please mention in the comment section. Okay, and please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.